evening, guys! I think it's been 2 days, 3 days na simula nung perform si Kel. At ngayon, Christmas party nila, susunduin na namin. Pero tignan niyo yung school ni Kel. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pailaw nila. Last day nila today. And then, it's vacation for both of us.
Hey guys, I'm back from my Christmas party.
What do you call that?
Makuku over there.
We have to unwrap.
Get ready, because we're gonna unwrap just like on my mom's videos.
It's called haul video.
Haul?
Yeah?
I'm going to haul on this stuff on the bed. Oh guys, by the way,
What?
I built this Lego.
Yeah, that's original Lego.
First things first, I see Pringles can. I see a chopper button pin.
Oh, it has your name on it. Let me see.
Doesn't have from Zara. It's in the packaging. It's a bunch of candy.
Whoa.
It has no name on it, so I declare I gave this to myself.
I'd
We
like that.
have Reese's, M&M's, peanut butter, Kit Kat, Ezekiel to Aidan. This is my best friend, Aidan to Ezekiel. This is my best friend actually, guys. I'm featuring him in this video. I know his address, but I won't say it. Candy, I guess.
Oh, more
We
chocolate.
have vitamin ball pen. I actually got one of these in my Christmas parties before. Don't mind the
Oh,
Frutella.
Catriona.
Fashion socks, Goofy, because he thinks I'm Goofy.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your support, which I don't know what I'm saying because I've never been doing a haul. Yeah, be sure to follow, like, and subscribe.
Good morning, guys! It's December 22 and grabe, 3 days na lang, Pasko na. Parang sobrang bilis ng oras at panahon. Pero ayun nga, for today, baka umalis kami kasi nag-chat sa akin si MJ, kakatulog lang niya. Alis daw kami ng 10:30, tas mamaya, feeling ko pupunta kami ng SM, pero parang ayoko kasi nga alam ko sobrang traffic. Kagabi pala may na-receive kaming gift from Diane and John. Ayan o, thank you so much! So, meron tayong Hoo Garden. This is my favorite beer. Ruffles, syempre partner dyan. And I think this is for Kiel kasi chocolate siya na Toblerone. And then, meron din silang binigyan. Hindi pa namin to natitikman. Pero, I'm excited to try this out. Fisher Farms. Belenong Bangus. Baka sa Pasko or New Year na namin yan ihahanda. No? Masarap daw yan eh. Hindi ko din alam kung napakita ko na to. Pero, yan, nakapagbalot na kami ng gifts for Christmas. Meron na din ako natanggap na regalo. Tulad nito kay Angel. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan kasi gusto ko sa actual day na. And we also have some regalo here. And our dog, Bailey. Alam niyo kung nasan ako, nandun talaga siya. Kakanood ko din sa TikTok ni, di ko alam kung kilala niyo, si Chris. Napa-order tuloy ako ng Glowing Shape Detox. Chris Crisologo. And gusto ko din i-try itong Choco Blast. Kaya, ayan, bumili tayo. Nakakamiss yung mga kapeng ganyan. Morning, Kiel. This time be true. This can't be true. Ay, we're gonna go to SM.
Oh, mommy, I'm still sleeping,
But, update, it's December 23. At ngayon, di ka naman kita. Di ka kita. Gagawa kami ng dessert for Christmas Eve and Christmas. So, si MJ gumagawa siya ng leche. Leche ka, MJ. Leche ka. Leche.
At least may plan.
Leche
Yeah.
flan. I'm gonna make fruit salad. And I'm also making coffee jelly. Triple layer coffee jelly. Yan. Ito yung gagayahin ko. Kasi ang cute to. Tignan nyo naman. Unang ginawa ko, nakabili na din ako ng wine for Christmas. White wine lang. 1 tablespoon white gulaman and then 1/4 cup of milk. Ito yung unang layer natin. Si MJ, hindi ko na matuturo yung recipe niya kasi nauna na siya. So, yung akin na lang.
Ito ay sarili yung recipe.
Sarili niyang recipe na nakuha niya sa YouTube.
Hindi ako nanonood ng YouTube.
Habang pinapatuyo natin, gagawa muna ako ng fruit salad. Madali lang naman to. Kailangan nyo lang ng fruit cocktail. Tapos itatry namin to. Nabili namin to sa SNR. Lalagyan namin siya ng peach. And then, condense. Tsaka all-purpose cream. Tanggalin muna natin yung juice nitong fruit cocktail. Yan! So, gumamit na lang ng strainer para mabilis. Maglalagay din tayo ng apple and cheese. Wala tayong buko eh, kaya okay na yan. Parang ang sarap nito iyema. No? Nestle cream. Parang madami yata yung condense. Malamig yung Nestle cream natin, kaya mix-mix na lang. Tapos na tayo sa fruit salad. Bale, nilagyan ko lang naman to ng peach, apple, and queso. Yan na yung kinalabasan niya. Tapos mix-mix nyo lang. Sushi. Dili, pakita mo yung lips mo. Kawawa. Kawawa naman.
May wawa.
Napaso siya. Tinikman niya kasi yung asukal na mainit pa.
May wawaw dito, tsaka dito.
Kawawa. Dito naman tayo sa Copico Brown. 2 3-in-1 tapos 1 tablespoon na gelatin powder. Mix lang natin. Kailangan wala kasing buo-buo. Kasi MJ, ano na ng sugar. Tapos yung last process natin dito is yung black coffee. Kailangan nakaset na muna yung first layer nyo. Tapos, ito na yung second layer natin. Antayin lang natin din to mag-set. Then, doon na tayo sa third layer. And so, yung last procedure natin, kita nyo siya. Milk, then brown, then black. 1 tablespoon of gelatin. And then, 2 tablespoon of coffee. 2 tablespoon of sugar. Nagawa ko na. Matigas na siya. Kailangan na lang nating hiwain. Gusto ko perfect eh. Dahan-dahan na. Ooh, satisfying. What? Dad, galing! Look, amazing. Galing na. Ang cute niya tignan. Ano lasa? Lasang kape. Done with the coffee jelly. Ang sarap niya. Papalamigin lang natin. Ito na yung leche flan. Kasi kanina brown sugar yung ginagamit ni MJ. Kaya nasunog. So, lumabas kami. Tapos, bumili kami ng white sugar. Wala nga lang ang tawag dyan. Wala kaming steamer eh.
Yun, steamer.
Ganyan lang. Pwede na yung pagtsagaan.
More moments later.
Tignan nyo ginagawa ni Kel. Kasi di ba nasa baba kami kanina. Wala siyang kalaro. Naglalaro siya mag-isa. Tapos yung box nung... Bumili kasi kami ng ano. Tawag dyan anak? Washing machine. Tapos yan, ginagamit niya. Show mo kung anong mga nagagawa mo dyan. Dilagyan niya na ng window.
This
Wag pa tayo. Pahiga lang.
this isn't a normal box. Don't mind all the holes in it though. This is my super secret hideout. As you can see, we have a window so my mom can pass me some food. Then we have some security system. I can pull this out, then punch. Wait, where do you go? We have another one over here, then another one. We have the door over here, but I barricaded it. As you can see, we have another window. Then we have this current window in progress.
Dinner time! Nagluto si Daddy ng yung pork ng dali. Liampo. Tapos sangag, egg, and suka. Kain tayo. Liam pork. Liampo silog. Let's eat! May nangangaroling. Nabigyan ko na eh. Pero andun sila sa kabilang bahay. Sunod-sunod na yan. Gusto ko din mangaroling. Happy birthday!